Risk managers need to always remember to put their firm in the best light possible. You need to understand your risk. You need to be able to communicate to the underwriters through your broker why you're a better risk than your peer group. You're competing against your peer group to get a better rate, to get better terms. You want to explain how your firm exceeds the governmental safety regulations. You don't just want to meet the safety regulations. Everybody better do that. Let's explain why you're better. Let's explain why underwriters should write your risk. You need to have a long-term relationship with your underwriters. Even though you may have short-term goals this year, it's something to keep in mind because you buy insurance more than just one time. You buy it over the years. You need to be proactive. There's a lot of changes that are going on in your firm. How many times have you changed your budget this year in your firm? Let's go back to your underwriters. Let's right-size your program for your current exposures. You need to also remember, keep a close relationship with some of your underwriters, especially depending on which segment of the energy business you're in. If you've got some challenges, let's stay in close contact with your D&O underwriters. Have the meetings, have the updated conference calls. If you're operating in the Gulf of Mexico, there's some changes going on there from the Bureau of Ocean Energy Management you need to be aware of. Let's make sure you're in good contact with your surety underwriters because there are changes coming. You need to be evaluating that in advance. When you're presenting to underwriters, know your audience. If you're presenting D&O underwriters, sure, give them a financial type presentation. They're going to need all that. If you're talking to property or liability underwriters, let's tailor your presentation to your audience. Very little bit about your financial situation. They're going to have assurance you're going to be going forward and you've got the right capital for maintenance. But then let's get into the exposures those underwriters are most concerned about. So know your audience, present to them, have that relationship with them, be proactive in changes. We're going to see some mergers and acquisitions this year, no doubt. Get your broker team involved early in the process. They can assist you with the due diligence. They can assist you in identifying synergies. Normally, when you combine two programs into one, you're going to have a significant savings. Let's take advantage of that. But get them involved early on, even when you're looking at a draft purchase-sale agreement. There are some insurance provisions in there that you're going to want to address. I have had situations where clients have had significant claims between the time they signed a PSA and the time they closed a merger. And having those insurance provisions spelled out assisted everybody in that claims process, making it run much smoother. So be involved with your broker, have good communication, have good relationship with your underwriters, and keep them in the loop of what's going on with your firm, and be prepared to go in midterm to adjust things.